Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to move your channel from one brand account to another brand account. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your YouTube channel. At the top of your screen, click your profile picture. Then click Setting. Under Channel, click on Advanced Setting. Then click Move Channel to your Google account or a different brand account. Now here's login your channel by using the step. Enter your password, then click Next and enter with 6-digit verification code number. Now click Next. Please wait, it's loading. Now on your screen, see you want to move the channel. Now again, open new tab and go to your YouTube channel. At the top of your screen, click your profile picture. Then click Setting. Now click on Add or Manage your channel. After clicking, then you will see your YouTube channel and create a channel option. Tap Create a Channel plus icon. You can use new name, which your channel name will appear after moving. Here's type your channel name and click right mark, then click Create. Now your channel create done, but you will see the display this channel does not exist. Don't worry guys, tap refresh button and see your new channel. Again go back before tab and click refresh button and your new channel name show here. Next, at the top of your screen, click your profile picture and click Switch Account. Then open old YouTube channel. Again click Advanced Setting. Then click Move Channel to your Google account or to a different brand account. A warning for my friends. Moving your brand account to another brand account is a process that you can complete yourself, but it should only be done if necessary. If a transfer is done incorrectly, you can risk deleting your channel. So friends, read be carefully what's on the display appear and go ahead. Your YouTube channel is already associated. Click Replace. Then click in the box check mark and select Delete this channel. Important note for my friends. Doing so will delete the channel that is already associated with that account. Any content associated with this channel will be permanently deleted, including comments, messages. After select Delete Channel, see your screen and read be carefully. Check how your channel name will appear after moving, then click Move Channel. Now your YouTube channel has been successfully moved. It may take up to 10 minutes for update to your account to be complete. Click refresh button and select a channel Now go to New tab and go in YouTube Studio. Welcome to YouTube Studio. Click Continue. Now select Customization. Then go in Basic Info. Next click pencil icon. Note for you. Your verify base will be removed for new name. But again, verify base how to add your new channel. I will try to give another video. Then click process and enter here's new channel name. And make handle. Now choose your unique handle by editing letters and numbers. Oops, this handle name is taken, is not available. So again try and my handle name is done. Next edit description. Change your old channel name and enter new channel name. Then click Publics. Note for my friend, to protect your account, you may be asked to re-authenticate before using current feature on YouTube. Let's follow this step. Signing use a backup code. Verify your account, send SMS to your mobile number. After verify, then go to channel. Here's your new channel name show. Click refresh button and see new channel name. And that's it. Now you know how to move your channel from one brand account to another brand account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more awesome content. Till then, everyone stay well, stay healthy.